Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your headphones Philips. And basically we have two options how to do this. The first one, we can use the application. The second one, we can use control. Let's get started by use the app. We need to open Philips headphones application. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the app, then you will see the same menu. Right here we have ambient control line. Firstly, we need to enable it. And to enable ANC, you need to click the awareness, right here, the middle icon. To disable ANC, you need to swap to adaptive mode or ANC, or just disable ambient sound control. As I said, we can also use controls. And right here at the right ear cup, near to the button with the microphone icon, we have ambient sound control button. You need to press one time to enable. So right now I use normal mode. If I press one time, it automatically turns on ambient sound control and you will use ANC. From ANC, you will swap to transparency mode. So you need to tap on time, and from transparency mode, you will swap to the normal mode. So it will disable ambient sound control. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.